Ecology may be also defined as the scientific study of the distribution and abundance of life and the interaction between organisms and their environment. The branch of biology that studies the relation between plant and animal and their environment, also called bionomics, bionomy, Joibovidya, the study of relationship interaction of living and non-living things in a given area. The study of interrelationship of organisms to their environment or surrounding. Ecology considered individual organism population and communities as well as large unit of landscape such as forest, estuaries and river basin. The study of the relationship between plants and animals, including human and their environment. The scientific study of the interrelation that determine the distribution and abundance of organisms. It is concerned with the life histories, distribution, and behavior of individual species as well as population and communities. Aquatic ecology. Aquatic ecology is a discipline that uses the principle and method of ecology to study natural organisms that live in water and thus make up aquatic ecosystem. Subdivision of ecology. Aspect of ecology. On the basis of nature of study, ecology can be subdivided as ornithology and synecology. Ornithology, it is the study of individual species or individual organism and its population in relation to with the environment, or it referred to the interaction of a single species with its environment. It is also called species ecology, others referred as environmental physiology or ecophysiology or ecophysiological ecology. It is the level of integration between the environment and the individual. Here, the interrelation of life histories, behavior, and adaptation of individual species or individual organism to the environment are usually studied. Example: the ecological study of the individual katla or all individual of katla species in a particular area. Horticulture is experimental field and laboratory because it is concerned with the relationship of all organisms to one or more variables such as light, temperature, moisture, or salinity. It is equally quantified and subject to experimental design both in laboratory and in the field. Hot ecological studies. Hot ecology can be two type. Species ecology, here individual species are studied. Population ecology, here individual of the same species are studied. Scene ecology. Scene ecology deal with the study of group of organism of different species or community associated together as a unit, or scene ecology refer to the interaction of multiple species and their environment. It is called ecology of communities or community ecology. Here the relation of communities, their composition and their behavior to the environment are usually studied. Example: the ecological study of carp, rui, katla, mlikel, etc. in polyculture system. Other example: if a neem tree or several neem tree or crow or several crow are studied in a relation to the environment, then this would be an ecological study. However, if the study deals with forest community as a whole in which many different bird, trees and animals share the same areas, then it would be called cynological approach. Cynology is largely descriptive and not easily subject to experimental design, but also can be experimental with aid of tools such as computer and radioactive tracer. Scene ecological studies. Scene ecology can be two types. Community ecology, it is concerned with study of biotic community comprising of interdependent plant and animal in a particular area. Ecosystem ecology, it is recent development in ecology. It deals with the community of living organisms and their environment as integrated unit of nature. Ecology, horticulture, scene ecology. horticulture মধ্যে আছে স্পেসিস ইকোলজি, পপুলেশন ইকোলজি। সিন ইকোলজির মধ্যে আছে কমিউনিটি ইকোলজি, ইকোসিস্টেম ইকোলজি।